I wanna know, yo, I wanna know, I wanna know, yo, I wanna know why, yo, I wanna know, we can't all just get along, yo, I wanna know, and I wanna know why, I wanna know, I even had to write this song, I wanna know why, we can't all just get along. Surrounded everywhere I go with this darkness, so I decided to spark this and shine some light. Yeah, I know I can light a million candlelights tonight. I wanna know, why can't we all get along? I wanna know, why am I singing this song? Yo, I wanna know, is it just me that feels I'm free from all this negativity? Tell me, just don't fight me.
It's like the world's been manipulated, brainwashed and tricked, and now there's no direction and which way to think. Being a genius is something that will take you to a shrink. For what you think I rap for, so I can push an accord. You see the problems, the people they be living in fear. It's false evidence appearing real. Unlike others, I know exactly what I'm gonna be, so I spread the word the way they spread the disease. And so you know, I'm not alone, there's millions like me. A massive evolution of humanity who want the same things. You wouldn't believe it if you saw it, so I recommend you live it. Yeah, instead of being a loser, start believing you're a winner. I'ma keep on being a giver, and I'ma always pay no mind to all the sinners. And all I can suggest is you strive to be the best, but when you doubt on yourself, don't accept nothing less.
I wanna know, why can't we all get along? Oh, I wanna know, why am I singing this song? Yo, I wanna know, is it just me that feels I'm free from all this negativity? Tell me, just don't fight me. I wanna know why everybody walking around like they don't realize what's really going down. Can't we all just see that we gotta get along? Can't we all just see that there ain't nothing wrong with the fact that we all just a little bit different? Cause deep inside, man, there's no difference. Let's take a step back for a second, cause I reckon you ask yourself that question. I wanna know, why can't we all get along? I wanna know, why am I singing this song? Yo, I wanna know, is it just me that feels I'm free from all this negativity? Tell me, just don't fight me.
So you really wanna know why the world's so cold? Well, think about the causes and effects, all the problems and events. People's problems are intense, people losing common sense. Yo, it's like we stuck behind the fence. Whatever is prohibited is often most desired. Why do you think the politicians are often known as liars? I can say, do, go, beat whatever I want, and I'm not afraid to fight verbally for my rights. Freedom fighters do exist from all across the globe, from the cities that have beaches to the countries that have snow. And I can guarantee you that this energy flow is about to manifest into powerful woe. You wanna know the same things that I wanna know. You wanna know, or maybe just a little bit more. You wanna know the same things that I wanna know. You wanna know, maybe just a little bit more.